Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me
Yes.
clearly?
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you. What's your name? Sorry, I didn't get your name.
Yeah, I'm Shamim. People call
Shamim.
me
Nice to meet you.
Shamim.
Mohammed.
You?
Shamim Mohammed. Mohammed.
Yeah, Shamim Ahmed.
Yes. Nice to
You?
meet you. Mohammed.
Mahmoud.
Mohammed. Yes.
You Mahmoud.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, great. Where are you
Okay.
from?
Super. Somalia.
Somalia. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. So let me basically show you what the problem is, and then inshallah we'll go from there.
Okay,
Let me
no
go
problem.
inside so we can a little bit of noise. Okay, cool. So for me, basically, I have worked on this app, share screen. So let me know if you see my screen.
Yes, I
You
can
see my
hear.
screen?
I can see your screen.
Good, okay, good. This is the app I worked on. Yes. And there's one problem. Basically, you know when you book a timing, it doesn't let you select multiple timings because I want it to be similar to this figure one. You see.
Okay. Can you explain it again, please?
So which one? The problem or what the app is? No, the problem is both the functionality. It doesn't let you select more than one time. You see, it only lets me select one time. But I
Okay.
want it to let me choose multiple times. Yeah, exactly.
Mahmoud, I'm little bit confused.
Yes,
Um,
why? Sorry.
I'm little bit confused. Can you make me more clear, please?
Okay. Yes. So basically, it's a service where you can book something.
This is graphics related tasks, you mean?
No, so it's basically it's gonna be a back-end task because right now it only lets you choose one time functionality, time slot. I want it to let you select multiple, so you can choose one time slot. So, for example, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, you know? So right now it only lets you select 1 hour time slots, but I want it to be multiple time slots.
Okay. But I can only help you on graphics related tasks.
Oh, okay. That's fine. This is
I'm,
maybe my back end.
I'm really sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that.
That's fine.
Uh,
Okay,
but
so so you do front end.
sorry.
So you do the front, more graphics front end.
Yes. I can. I can
Okay,
help you all kind of graphics related tasks. No problem. I have a
cool.
team.
So, okay,
If you have any graphics related tasks, then just knock me. Okay. Me and my
okay.
team always ready for it.
So,
No problem.
so graphic. Okay, so to do the graphics, how long would that